Hello everyone, here we've got Google Pixel 7 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone gallery and then reach contacts if you are not in this panel. Now pick the contact that you would like to add profile picture to and click on edit icon. Now select add photo and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me choose something. And let's apply, for example, this picture. Now you can customize it however you like. And then tap on done. Click on save to apply the changes. And that's it. From now on, this picture will be assigned to your contact, and anytime you will receive a call, you will see this picture at first. Also, on your contact list, it will be displayed right next to the name of your number of contacts. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.